Prevention is better than cure. It implies that taking measures to prevent the spread of a disease is more effective than treating the said disease. This is necessary because time, money, and resources are consumed when treating a disease. A communicable disease is a disease that can easily spread from one person to another. India has the largest postal network in the world. The postman can be found in every part of the country. He goes from door to door to delivery letters, couriers, parcels, money orders, and gifts. The postman wears a uniform and carries a bag. There is a popular saying that beauty lies in the eye of the beholder. Beauty can be defined as a specific characteristic that an individual or an animal or a place or an idea holds. It differs from people to people. The concept of beauty can be tracked back to ancient Greece. It popularized the view that boldness, confidence, and personality are the aspects that make someone or something beautiful. Beauty has become more dependent on the virtues and qualities that a human possesses rather than the physical attributes he or she has. Beauty is a subjective concept. He was the oldest man in the town and participated in many lotteries. It was the symbol of victory. She was a housewife as well as writer. Truth always wins, but is it really that significant? On international rankings, India ranks 66th overall. It is said that justice delayed is justice denied. There is vacancy crisis in Indian judiciary. First of all, our priority should be filling of vacant posts of judges. If we have not enough judges, we will not be able to get our judiciary on the right path. Ultimately, there are many things to work on simultaneously. Our system should be easily accessible to people and it should be affordable and impartial. There is concept of separation of powers in Indian Constitution. The vacancies of judges should be filled and must be kept at the top priority so that the pendency of cases can be reduced. In the world, people are earning more money and buying more vehicles, be it cars, two-wheelers, taxis, trucks, buses, etc. The number of vehicles on the road is increasing by the day. While this shows a good scale of development, it also means that there are higher chances of road accidents. Road accidents can be fatal and are very dangerous. Hence, we must do our best to avoid them. In the newspapers, we read about road accidents where people get severely injured and even die. There is a reason that traffic rules are created, however, people break them all the time. One of the most important keys to relationship is communication. It helps you connect with people and know the other person. Communication is the key to sharing a good relationship with your family members. Family members share their happiness, sorrow, and stories through communication. Communication is the most important factor that helps you share a good relationship with your family. When you have good communication skills, you will be able to easily make friends. Lack of communication is the worst way to destroy a relationship. The field of engineering consists of a vast sea of knowledge whose boundary is infinite. Society has given engineers various nicknames like problem solvers, organizers, designers, human calculators, and communicators because of the highly creative activities. Transportation is another great wonder in the contributions of engineering made to humankind. The main objective of engineers and engineering is to benefit humankind by making life and living easier. The contributions of engineering cannot be summed up into a few words. Still, the right way to respect their immense role in society is by recognizing and using their inventions responsibly. Engineering always has and will continue to strive to lift our living standards through sustainable developments. The day before an examination is tensed in many ways. On this day, the examinees are in a different mood. The candidates put their heart and soul into studies. The parents of the examinees take extra care of them during examination days. Everyone wishes them success. Examinees are encouraged and helped by their relatives and friends. No one in this world likes to be examined. Time management is one of the most crucial skills that any student must possess. Moreover, there are certain aspects of time management that one needs to consider. Everyone has the same 24 hours, however, some make better use to their time than others. The more productive the work, the better are the results. Moreover, time management requires a careful balancing between professional life, social life, hobbies, or activities. From an academic perspective, time management is a necessity. Students have many subjects to cover. Criminal is not defined by what they look like, who they are, or what they do for a living, but it is defined by the psychology of their minds. Criminals have a different mindset than the average person, and they have the chemical imbalance in the brain. However, scientists have discovered that brains of many criminals are not normal. Scientific studies show that a large majority of convicted criminals have some sort of psychological issue or problem in their brains. There are many groups that make up our society and are considered social institutions. Ethics are basic standards or ideals that regulate the actions of a person or a community. Ethics is essential in business as well as in academic institutions and social structures. In every community, most citizens follow the values that are ethical. The family has a powerful impact on one's belief and actions. In fact, parents create guidelines from the beginning and they are the foundation of our ethics and morals. Society should boost the moral of players as well as the students. Do not ever demotive them. Social principles and social standards have declined over time. As a consequence, the number of crimes such as killings, robberies, gang assaults, kidnappings, abduction, extortion, grab and run cases, chain snatching, murder, human trafficking, etc. have increased in past few years. Citizens have lost faith and being greedy in their purposes. If we want to see a world with a relatively low rate of violent crime and where all human beings can reside peacefully, we need to look at the values and ethics of the society. Women education is a major step to the full development of our country. It can bring socio-economic growth in our country. An educated woman has the ability to manage her home and professional life. In the past, domestic work was the only priority for a woman. But in this 21st century, women are also achieving top positions in many fields. Still in India, people accept household work, taking care of children and family from women rather than education. They think that the life of a woman is only getting married, giving birth to children, sacrificing their dream, and taking care of the family, but they cannot understand that a woman requires education since women are the foundation of the future generation. So, an educated woman leads to educated future generations. It is said that if a man gets an education, it is useful only for him, but if a woman gets an education, it is useful for the entire family. An educated woman can fulfill the responsibilities. The responsibilities to be a good daughter, wife, or mother can be fulfilled with the help of education. An educated woman can share her thoughts and advice in the family. An educated woman is a true friend and good advisor to her husband. She can be able to share the sorrows and burdens of her family. Parents should encourage their daughters by investing money in their education, not in dowry. Women have the right to get good and quality education to participate in every field of life. Guns are extremely powerful weapons. They can cause destruction, harm, or even death. At the same time, they can also be used to defend and protect or to threaten and kill. All guns were originally cannon. As far as books are concerned, one should follow the good books. Happy is the man who acquires the habit of reading when he is young. His wealth of books is more precious than gold. It will be correct to say that a dose of poison can do its work only once, but a bad book can go on poisoning generations to come. Reading gives the highest kind of pleasure. Some books are simply read by us for pleasure and amusement. Books are the most faithful of friends. Our friends may change, may quarrel with us, but not books. Reading them is a joy in itself, and its benefits cannot be described in words. Thus, the joyous inspiration and instructions will be far beyond your imagination. Whenever India has remained united, it has been able to attain unattainable goals. This unity and dedication of Indians has enabled the country to overcome multiple adversities. Our country has faced every crisis with fortitude. Stop.